at is the title screen, what will be the title screen. I just started this yesterday, and yeah, basically you just hover over these and torches come up. Now that's obviously not what the uh, room's going to look like. It will look like, where's that? Oh, this is what the uh, end will look like, but also it's going to have I'm going to draw like a gargoyle kind of thing, where when you're hovering over one of these options, it's going to light up the room, so the gargoyle will be showing, and like a brick wall over here will be showing as well. So that's pretty much my plan for the title screen, and that's what I've been working on recently. Go ahead and delete that because I decided to go with this one. I actually drew this one. I was very proud of myself because I don't draw. I'm not a drawer. So here we go. Let's get back in here. Um, so yeah, what we need to do is possibly realign these. I'd like them to be perfect, honestly, but I don't think I can do that because this is all centered just like a hair. Yeah, I really can't. Oh God. Yeah, see that the N should be like right there, but it's not. I'm not sure if there's a way I can do that. Uh, well, I guess actually if I go into the sprite, I can bring X over to 0, and now that should be there. But I have to do that on this as well. Okay. Now let's try that again. Alright, that looks much better. Let's make sure everything still works. Because when you have the torches, yeah, see, sometimes it does that. And that's no good. You can't have it like that. Alright, so we need to figure out what to do. Alright, all we have to do is pretty much just raise this a little bit. Right there, maybe. It's not too hard to do this, but it's a pain. There we go. See, that was easy. That was much easier than the other ones. Sometimes it's extremely difficult. So we have one more button. We're not going to add that other button just yet. What was the other button? It's like controls, I think. Because I don't have the controls down just yet. Because to be honest with you, I'm still not sure what this game is. If you saw that, I don't even know what the title is going to be. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much that. So now we need to go to the objects, object new game, add event. Now you can do this. Sometimes I'd prefer code. So if we left press, basically you can say with code you can do this, or you can, if it's something small like this. All these were very small. See, it's just changing the sprite. So that's, I didn't do that with code. And this is another very small thing, so I'm not going to do it with code either. We're not going to go to the next room. We're going to go to, where's the, there we go. Right. We're going to have to create a new room. This is going to be room underscore level 1. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and give that a quick test. It should just take me to another screen. Very good. Now, for this, I think we should go ahead and get our first block. You think so? That would be good. Go ahead and make a, I don't know, alright, so we are streaming, that's good. Let's go ahead and go to Google. Pixel art. It's like pick art. I think this is what I used. Definitely not. Definitely not. Oh, it was picked though. I forgot I had it bookmarked. Okay, so this is what I used to create the torch. I do like this program. It makes it quite easy. So I just now noticed that. Wow. Holy crap. What do we want to do? Make it a simple block. Needs to be... We'll go ahead and fix that later. We left 4 blocks here, so... Is that right? That looks right. Looks more like a rectangle, to be honest. Let's do 16 by 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 16. Ah, this mouse is killing me. I really don't like this mouse. I have another mouse, and I'm not sure why I'm not using another mouse, to be honest. This actually may be 16 by 16 right here. Oh, it's just one off. Okay, so there we go. And here's the outline of our first block. It's not much. It's not very pretty, but it'll do. Okay, so what do we want it to be? I'm not even sure what I want it to be. Just like a... Should we make it like grass? Should we make the first level like a little bit of grass? Once again, I'm going to go ahead and say this. I am not an OT, an artist. Alright, oh, so that should be a little bit of grass. Looks fantastic. Does this look like some dirt? That looks like some dirt. Alright, so there's our first grass block. That's what it's going to look like. Actually, let's go ahead and get rid of that. That's a little too high. Alright, so the player pretty much, his feet will be like this. And we'll overlay. Obviously, that's not what his feet are going to look like, but they're going to overlay the grass. That may be challenging, actually, the more I think about it. Either way, this is good. This is good. Save, desktop, project. Okay, there's grass block. Now pretty much to make the dirt block, which would go underneath this. Erase these two. And, uh-oh, is this color? Yeah. That. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. Okay. And now we're going to make it one shade deeper. Kind of like... Uh-oh, what did I do? There we go. That's a little bit more than a shade, though. It's gotta be said. That's not what I wanted. Alright. I just want to make it a little deeper. Darker. How do I make it darker? Please. Is that just shades of... Alright, so I feel like we're kind of right here. So let's go to like right there. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. So pretty much what that's going to be is, after like 3 or 4 layers of the normal, we're just going to go to that. Let's check on this. We've got 5 minutes left. So let's go ahead and try and add these. Why don't we? At least get them in here as a sprite. Actually, let's sprite underscore dirt. We're going to get the dirt. Now, I'm actually going to try something different here. I'm going to load the light sprite. Okay. And then we're going to edit, transform, crop. There we go. And we're going to add a new one. Oh, Control Z that. There we go. And add from file. What in the world? What have I done? Oh, okay, yeah, I see, I see. Alright, so then we're just going to transform. Can I not select both? Oh, come on, why are you doing this? No! Alright, so I don't think I can do this. So we're going to do that. We're going to transform, crop again. There we go. Why is it? It shouldn't be that. There we go. Sprite underscore dark dirt. Load it. Edit. Transform. Crop. Okay. Check. Center check. Alright. Now let's go into room level 2. Now these have absolutely no collision yet. So if I don't have a character yet. So I'm not even sure I'm going to use these. So it's really kind of me just kind of messing around. Oh, it has to be an object. Create object. Object underscore dirt. This is where I can probably have it to where it changes sprites depending on how deep it is. Yeah, actually, do we want it to be a step? Let's actually make it a create. Delete that. I'm losing my mind here. Here we go. We're gonna do this in actual code. Ooh, did not mean to do that. Alright, so if I think this will work. I'm not sure though. This is my first time doing this. This is how you learn things. Do we want it Y? Yeah, Y is greater than or equal to, I don't know, 60 or so, 70, 90. Is that how you do that? I think you need to do a position check. actually. Google. This is how you learn things right here. How to do a position check in Game Maker. I'm pretty sure I know it. That's okay. Here we go. Instant. Here we go. This is it. Alright, instance underscore position XY the object. Okay. So yeah, we're doing a position check here. If instance underscore position. Okay. Then we need to open up another bracket x comma y minus 90. No, x comma y. I'm trying to think of how to do this. Object underscore dirt. If instance underscore position um let's just try this. I don't think this will work, but if it's greater than or equal to, let's just, I don't even know. Uh, is it expecting a, oh right, yeah. Needs another parenthesis. What in the world did I just add? I just said put a parenthesis in it. Put nothing? What? It took away my, what in the world? Oh no, it needs the, some, because it took that away. What? Greater than or equal to. Index, where's index? Is that what it is? Yeah. Um, okay. Now that should be it. If the instance underscore position of x, y, object dirt, so it's taking the x and the y of object dirt, and if it is greater than or equal to y minus 90, it will use the sprite of dark dirt. Don't know if that's going to work. Oh, still on this one. Delete. So there's a space in between the up, which isn't good. I need to find a way to get rid of that. Left and right seems to be okay though. I'm not sure why there's a space, random space there. Put a couple way down here. Check. Play. Alright, so it actually did work. So if you look up here, these are much darker, I think, I believe. I could be wrong though, than these down here. So actually what we're going to do is, because it's actually not too big of a shade difference, it's just more for my own, I'm using this as a learning experience as well. So we're going to change it to torch instead, just so we know that it's working. It is working. Alright, that's fan-freaking-tastic. Obviously I have it the wrong way. It should be, instead of minus 90, plus 90. And obviously this needs to go back to dark dirt. Okay? Oh, man. So pretty much what we just added is it took us almost 20 minutes, but we learned a couple of new things. We learned the position check, and we learned how to change sprites, which I already knew, but some of you guys may not have known. Anyways, so there we go. Now, I think we have a few minutes left. Nope, we don't. But I would like to see what's wrong with the X and Y. I don't understand why it's not touching, is what I'm getting at. See right here, there's a little tiny space. I don't understand why that is. Maybe I counted wrong? That's probably what it is. Yeah, it's 32 by 32. And these are 32 by 30. Needs to be 32 by 32. Say okay. Say okay. Let's see if that helps out. Not at all. Didn't change a thing. Alright, so yeah, I'll just have to recreate those. But at least we have the code down and everything. That is amazing. I am very excited about